Okay, so here's the difference between my two VPNs. One's got version 1 on it, and the other has version 2 on it. Version 6 on it, sorry. To start off with version 1. Which will come up to this screen in a minute. Okay, so I'll go through the process of both at the same time. I'll go for yes on that one, new on that one, next. Now I'll wait for these. The left one will probably be quicker because it's a smaller size. Okay, so the left one is on, just finished getting files ready. The other one's just finished getting files ready as well. Now I'll ask to restart. Now they're both getting ready. This may take some time. Okay, so the left one is preparing and just being on the just a moment screen, as you can see. And we have to go through this setup. Yeah, we have to go through the setup on the left-hand one. That's because it's version 1, whereas version 6 is a bit modified. We'll go through all these. And you can see some of the stuff on here. These should work. Yeah, they should. They work, but I don't have the icons on them, unfortunately. But that is version 6 of, as you can see here, version 6 of my NTLite deployment thing, whatever you want to call it, image. Then we've got the and we've got version 1 on the left here as well, which doesn't have anything really. See version 1 there. Properties, there's nothing even in there. Whereas on the other one, you've got my number, support hours, website, etc. Yeah. Hope you've enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, favourite, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.